Let's get right into it. How will Shiba Inu coin go step by step to the price of 1 cent by the month of December 2021? We will answer that by the end of this video. So this is a much watch for Shiba Inu holders. Shiba Inu coin has been on a combo lately, with the price movements being stabilized at 6 Satoshi tokens. We saw the Shiba Inu party come and go and cause a spike in price which caused a lot of paper hands to buy and sell and get out of the market once and for good. We saw the B-word event where three of the most well-known crypto influencers, Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood, and Elon Musk, talked positively about Bitcoin and cryptos in general, saying that the technology is making advances as green mining is evolving even further. Now, before we start diving into the grand Shiba Inu plan that'll send this token to 1 cent, let's see for a second the Bitcoin rise and fall in price during the Amazon announcements. Bitcoin's price rose to $40,906.34 Wednesday, the highest point the cryptocurrency has reached since June 15. It was also the second time this week Bitcoin's price went back above $40,000. Price swing is a reverse of the downward trend Bitcoin investors have seen following a high of over $60,000 in April. As recently as July 21st, Bitcoin fell below $30,000. But given the crypto's history of volatility, this increase doesn't guarantee a long-term reversal. Bitcoin's price is just as likely to fall back down as it is to continue climbing. The price swings are going to keep happening, and experts say there's something long-term crypto investors will have to continue dealing with. What investors should know: if you're investing in cryptocurrency, expect volatility to continue. That's why experts recommend keeping your crypto investments to less than 5% of your total portfolio. Okay, so we all know these things are super volatile. Like some days they can go down 80%. But if you believe in the long-term potential of Bitcoin and cryptos in general as a technology, just don't check on it. That's the best thing you can do. Just like you shouldn't let a price drop influence your decision to buy crypto. Don't let a sudden price increase alter your long-term investment strategy. Even more importantly, don't start buying more crypto just because the price is rising. Take your time to study the market and the time when to get in and out. This takes a lot of patience. Bitcoin's latest big jump also isn't anything new. While in the long term, Bitcoin's price has generally gone up, we saw a lot of volatility along the way. Investors should continue to hold and not worry about the fluctuations. And most importantly, you should not just jump on the hype. No matter if crypto is going up or down, the best thing you can do is to not look at it, set it, and forget it like you would any traditional long-term investment account. If you let your emotions get too much into it, then you could sell at the wrong time, or you might make the wrong decision. You stress out about it, and I don't think that's a healthy way to approach it. Amazon.com Inc. also denied the media hype, saying the e-commerce giant is looking to accept Bitcoin payments by the end of the year. The hype that came after some media agency cited an unnamed insider sent the world's biggest cryptocurrency up as much as 14.5% before it trimmed gains to last trade 6% higher at $37,684.04. Notwithstanding our interest in this space, the speculation that has ensued around our specific plans for cryptocurrencies is not true, said a spokesperson from Amazon on Monday. We remain focused on exploring what this could look like for customers shopping on Amazon. The company on July 22nd posted a job opening for a digital currency and blockchain product lead. Earlier on Monday, the job posting from the retail giant had stirred questions among analysts over whether the move could eventually lead to Amazon accepting Bitcoin as a method of payment. The company's denial sent Bitcoin tumbling below $37,000, while rival coins including Ether and Litecoin also fell. Investors rushing to cover bearish bets had fueled the earlier rally that drove the coin at one point up by more than 17% on Monday to $40,545, its highest since June 15th. More than $950 million of crypto shorts were liquidated on Monday, the most since May 19th. Shorts were piling up as we were moving down, assuming we were looking at a minimum of $25,000, which was expected across the board, says Vijay Iyer, head of Asia Pacific with crypto exchange Luno. But then there was heavy accumulation in the $29,000 to $30,000 region, which caught a lot of those shorts unaware and hence led to the spring upwards. Bitcoin's current price volatility is part of a wider multi-wave correction since hitting a record in April, Iyer said. The price could rebound to as much as $45,000 in the near term before another potential drop to complete the correction, he said. We're still seeing the correction play out, he added. A growing number of companies have started to accept virtual currencies for payment, bringing an asset class until recently shunned by major financial institutions closer to the mainstream. Last week, Tesla Inc. Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk said the electric car maker will most likely restart accepting Bitcoin as payment once it conducts due diligence on the amount of renewable energy used to mine the currency. Cryptocurrency investors have been in a wild ride of late, and Amazon.com has been in the middle. Now that Amazon has set the record straight, sort of, on where it stands on Bitcoin, coin, investors can focus on what they know best, including meme coins. Ethereum-based Shiba Inu is a fan favorite, and it looks like holders of this cryptocurrency could be getting what they want. Investment platform eToro has been adding cryptocurrency assets fast and furiously. The Shiba Inu community has been waiting for their turn, but has remained on the sidelines as the social investment firm has gone in another direction. For instance, eToro in recent days announced the addition of cryptocurrencies Maker and Engine on its platform, which added insult to injury for SHIB investors. Shiba Inu has not fallen off of eToro's radar, however. Now it appears that the investment firm is closer than ever to listing the meme coin. The company announced that it is quote-unquote on the case to officially list Shiba Inu on eToro, urging the Shiba army to hang tight. Shiba Inu launched a year ago in the wake of the large meme coin project Dogecoin. Shiba Inu, which considers itself a Dogecoin killer, recently stands with a force of 600,000 holders, but the price has been caught in the crypto market downdraft. Now, let's talk about the major Shiba Inu step-by-step plan that'll eventually send Shiba Inu coin to 1 cent. Okay, so we will start with the Coinbase listing rumors that have been going on forever. Shiba Inu investors are not stopping at eToro, however. They're also looking to leading cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase.com, as well as popular trading app Robinhood, to recognize and add their favorite meme coin. Coinbase is not averse to listing meme coins and already supports Shiba Inu's rival Dogecoin. Coinbase Pro for sophisticated investors intends to list Shiba Inu, but those plans hit a snag, resulting in a temporary delay. Look, let's get something straight here. If Coinbase would not want to list the Shiba Inu coin, they would have said this thing straight. They would have already made a tweet or a statement saying that they're officially backing out and no one can do anything about it. However, Coinbase has been honest and they have already said that they're having some technical difficulties at the moment and that the listing will proceed in the near future. According to my prediction, that listing only might be enough to make Shiba Inu surpass at least a zero in the price and rest at the price of 6 Satoshi units. Okay, now next up we have eToro. The platform has been recently involved in a tweet where one of the biggest Shiba Inu fan pages on Twitter made a poll about the eToro listing. They asked the fans if A, they were tired of waiting, or B, the listing is happening soon. Some representatives from eToro responded to the tweet and jokingly invented the option C, we're working on it, just hang tight. This means that eToro is also very serious about listing Shiba Inu coins. If they wouldn't be, they could have said so. And trust me guys, these kinds of companies are not shy to make announcements about their decision making. And then we have ShibaSwap, which is going terrific. I'm guessing they have some kind of plan to update and make the decentralized exchange better, and this is another thing that will impact Shiba Inu price positively. Now, if you want to learn about the one catalyst that'll send Shiba Inu coin to a new all-time high, then watch this next video.